We've all seen the videos. A 20-year-old making a month's salary before breakfast. It looks easy. It looks like freedom. But behind the Lambos and the laptop lifestyles lies a brutal truth. Welcome to the market. Day trading isn't luck. It's a high-stakes psychological battlefield. To survive, you have to understand the anatomy of a trade. Leo sees a stock breaking out. Momentum is high. FOMO, fear of missing out, takes the wheel. His entry, $150. His heart is racing. He hits buy. But the market doesn't care about your feelings. Institutional algorithms flush the price down to trap retail buyers. The whales hunt the buyers who chased. The price plummets to $145. Leo is down hundreds of dollars in seconds. This is where 90% of beginners fail. They have no exit plan. They let a math problem become an emotional crisis. A voice snaps its fingers. Time freezes. Leo, you entered a battle without armor. Where is your stop loss? Professional trading isn't about guessing right every time. It's about knowing how much you'll lose before you enter. Stop loss at 148. Time unfreezes. The position closes automatically. Risking only 1% of his account, Leo lives to fight another day. He didn't lose his shirt. He paid tuition to the market. Day trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Next on Candlestick Chronicles, the cup and handle, and how the big banks use it to trick you. Subscribe and protect your capital. We'll see you at the next opening bell.